hospitality partners Radisson. I hope their hospitality gets better with the evening. Thank you for the mic. In the spirit of friendship. बोले तो अपन का कोई भी बात माइंड करने का नहीं क्या? The categories of the awards, the nominations and the winners have all been decided by a top-level, high-profile secret jury. Friends from overseas, our RTR from Saat Samundar Par, with a special GMC NRI award. And the recipients are Dr. Vijay Jadhav, please step forward. Dr. Rajendra Desai, Dr. Shabir Susnewala, Dr. Sushma Srivastav, Dr. Nishit Chokshi, Dr. Prabhu Sonpal, Dr. Jeetu Rathore, and above all, Dr. Deepa Chitre. Please step forward and a big round of applause. Coming from so far to meet their friends. And may I invite to give away this award, the special GMC NRI award, may I invite our celebrity batchmates to felicitate them, Dr. Chetan Bhatt.
Everybody is a winner because we got to come here and meet all of you.
Chetan, would you like to say a few words and then let all of them say something?
A sound system to 12 बजे तक चलेगी.
That's.
I'm very happy. I don't know what to say right now. I have no words, but I'm really touched. All of you have come here and you have made this program very successful, and I'm very happy you all could meet. Otherwise, I don't know when I would have met Susma or Prabhu Sonpal or Rajendra Desai, even Jadhav also. Places I keep talking, Deepa I keep talking, even Jitu also I keep talking sometimes. It's very nice because I'm very happy to meet you all. Thank you very much.
Dr. Deepa Chitre, Dr. Nishit Chokshi, Dr. Rajendra Desai, Dr. Vijay Jadhav, Dr. Jeetu Rathore, nice to meet all of you, Dr. Sushma, Dr. Shabir, and Dr. Prabhu Sonpal. Big round of applause for them. Would any of you like to say a few words?
Thank you all. As I said, just before Chetan started speaking, you all are truly winners because we got a chance to come here, and I was fortunate to come in July and meet several of you. But for me also, meeting some people for the first time in 31 years has been tremendous. And so we all are winners because we got to spend time with you for 2 days. And I think I'm going to speak something a little later, so I'll ask my comments to our highly patriotic mission.
Thank you very much. I think it's been an honor to be your friends, privilege to be your friends over the last so many years. Few of them I meet every now and then, lots of people I talk to every now and then, and staying some 10,000 miles away, when I talk to you, speak to you, meet with you, I feel that I'm here. I feel that I'm back home. And thanks for accommodating us, thanks for keeping us in your hearts, and I truly enjoy your friendship, and hopefully this will last forever. Thank you.
Thanks very much. The 70s were not just famous for the great 1976 GMC badge, but it's also special and famous for the finest cinema made in India as well as abroad. And we had a rising star called Amitabh Bachchan and some other great artists who came in the 70s, and movies like Godfather 1 and 2, Put Enter the Dragon, Diwar and Sholay were made. And there was a special actor called Shatrughan Sinha, and I took Rajesh permission if I could do some kind of impersonation of the special actors. And there's a movie called Mere Apne, which I'm sure most of you remember, in which Shatrughan Sinha reached to start. And I'm going to impersonate one of the dialogues from that movie, and then I'm going to say how other actors react to that scenario. And now, this is the way it goes. Shall I come there? Okay. In Mere Apne, this is the way it goes. Khali karo. शाम से कहना छेलू आया था शाम किधर है शिक्षक को लेके झारखाने गया वार उससे कह देना छेलू आया था अगर मेरे मोहल्ले के किसी लड़के को हाथ लगाया तो पूरा मोहल्ले का मोहल्ला उड़ा दूंगा मेरे काय को बेकार की बातें करते हो काय को झगड़ा बढ़ा रहे हो अभी तक तो कुछ किया नहीं है तो जब करूंगा चल भाई now various actors how will they react to this to Shatrughan Sinha's मोहल्ला राजकुमार साहब आते हैं अपने मोहल्ले में जानी हमको बिठा सके ये मोहल्ले में दम नहीं हम मोहल्ले से है ये चाकू अपनी जेब में रखो ये बच्चों की खेलने की चीज नहीं है हाथ कट जाए तो खून निकल आता है अपने जगदीप साहब आते हैं मोहल्ले में अरे था ये मुझे कहा लेके आ गए ये तो छेनू का मोहल्ला है अरे भोपाल होता तो सारे मोहल्ले हमारे होते ये तो छेनू का मोहल्ला है अरे वो शेर है तो बकरी है वो आम है तो बकरी है अरे कोई मुझे बचा वेरी स्मार्ट छेनू इस मोहल्ले के हम शेर है हमें लॉयन कहते हैं और शेर को अपना शिकार करना आता है लेकिन शेर में मारो खोर बन जाता है तो छेनू से कुत्ते के मार मारता समझे वेरी स्मार्ट भाई रॉबर्ट इनकी जरा खातिर करो दिवसा आते हैं देखिए भाई साहब 21वीं सदी है झगड़ा प्यार और मोहब्बत से सुलझाया जा सकता है लेकिन आप है कि मुझे वाकई चले जा रहे हो मैं आपको गाली देते जा रहा हूँ क्यों ऐसी दुखी बढ़ाई जाए कि आप मेरी मरम्मत न करें और ये मोहल्ले को लेकर झगड़ा बंद करें क्योंकि इस मोहल्ले के हम गैमलर है जो थीप है और आपको प्रेम पूजा की तरफ एंड फाइनली Great Ayush Jodh comes. You know, Ayush Jodh was a very underrated actor. As far as I'm concerned, he was a pioneer of sarcastic comedy. Brilliant actor, really. Nobody knows about him that much, but this is the way Ayush Jodh was the actor of course. Chenu, तुम एक तो भटक चली तो ये भाग्यशाली क्या हो? क्या भाई? तुम्हारे पीछे शाम लगा है. शाम? अरे वो बाजू के मोहल्ले का तारा. हाँ, बहुत चमक दुश्मन का नाम हो गया तो. अरे तुम्हारे नाम कैसे लेंगे नहीं? तुम्हारे मस्ते करने को तो पढ़ेंगे क्या तो हाथ दिखाओ. या चंद्र है या शनि है यानी कि शाम से पिटने का वेरी गुड चांस तो उपाय बताओ उपाय बताओ सोमवार के दिन राम का नाम लो मंगलवार के दिन शाम का नाम लो सारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व अब वो पनवेल के बच्चे हैं बड़े ताश के पनवेल पत्ते हैं इस मोहल्ले के बादशाह हम है दिखाई नहीं देता इस मोहल्ले के बादशाह हम है
All I can say is, I don't know, I mean, we have considered NRI, but we don't think so. We have all GM side. That's all.
I really missed the last reunion at Kandala. I really missed it, and I immediately started. And I'm very glad all your affection and love has brought me over here. And I hope you will continue so in the future. And we will always be in touch with you. Thank you very much.
You know, it's really an honor to be here. I can't thank all of you enough for putting in so much hard work and making this possible. You know, I think I'm determined that probably with Deepa's help, our next reunion should be abroad. And we can count on
California 2014.
more New York. Can we count on that in the near future?
Yes.
Yes, why not?
टिकट बेच देना उधर
आजकल पे कमाना करा रही है
Yeah.
Fine, all of you are welcome. But anyway, thanks for this sort of, because the whole organization has been excellent. And we are really looking forward to come here because living abroad, we really miss you all because you being in this country, we quite often meet each other, but we don't.
Not really. I never been rather, we just 5 minutes or so.
So let's give the trophies to all the people here. Why? Because we gave them an opportunity to meet.
The next reunion, halfway at UK, I think that's the best idea. We'll plan for 2014 or 50, whatever everyone agrees. And because we have at least 5-6 of us in UK, we can get to.
I'm very happy I made it this time. I missed the first few reunions, but I'm glad I came this time. It was so nice to see all of y'all, and most of y'all I've met after 30 years. So that was wonderful, very nostalgic. I would like to thank and hats off to all the organizers who put this together. It was really wonderful, and the organization was perfect. I think it couldn't be any better. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, and I had spoken to Nishit a few years ago, I don't know if he remembers, and we had discussed having a reunion at Niagara. We got stuck on which side of the Niagara Falls we had.
On the bridge.
On the bridge, okay. Yeah. So, yeah, either UK or Niagara, that'll be wonderful.
I was looking for a sponsor. This is getting too expensive, so I decided to buy a sponsor. And I could get nothing but the Fevicol. And I decided the best guy to get the Fevicol award is none other than those who form the IP, every group, stuck with it, manage the great mercurial characters and unpredictable characters like Bhattu, Bhaya and whatnot. With all their mood swings and everything. And it was going on wonderfully, of course, credit to all of them. But guy who started the group and has been playing the Guruji to everybody,